Hey guys, welcome back to Clockwise Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Let's dive right into it here. Looking at coin market cap. So, coin market cap $29,131.03. Bitcoin sitting at a major level of resistance again. We've seen this before. We've seen it happen. Really a major level, because if we look at that previous higher low point, and I'll circle it so you guys can see. Taking a look at this previous higher low point right here, pretty much retesting that same area. So a ton of indecision. We go to the weekly time frame, bounce right off of it, and a ton of rejection at that level. So what are we expecting? I've been saying I think there's another dip. I don't think this is it. I think this was a good rally up. I think right here was a good rally up. But now I think we found that major level of resistance. And I think even looking at stochastics on the weekly time frame, we see that we could be heading down from this level. I actually thought, you could see the inverted head and shoulders on the weekly. See it right here. But right now, what happens here? A ton of resistance right there. So we'll see what happens. I definitely think, I think this was a bull trap. I think that there's more pain to be had in the market. I think it was too sweet. I really do. I think that big drop, we didn't really find enough pain in the market for us to really say, oh, that was it. Now it's over. I don't think so. So we'll see what happens. That's just my that's just my opinion. We'll see what happens. Going to Ethereum, pretty much doing the same thing. Another rejection there. If we look at our old technicals here, I did have Ethereum, breaking through, and it went down and retested that level, almost hitting our counter trend line, but bounced right off it. 1, 2, and did not break through on the third round. So it came down, faked us out, went back up. So really, if you look at this chart in comparison, we're pretty much testing the same areas, pretty much doing the same thing that we saw on the Bitcoin chart. So it'd be interesting to see what happens. Ethereum did go through that upgrade. A ton of momentum, ton of excitement. It shot up to 2,100, 2,200 on some exchanges, and just came right back down. So pay attention to that, as we will continue to look at what happens in this market. I'm very excited to see what happens, but it is green. It is greed, and it's green. So seeing that, I'm actually very cautious, like I've told you guys time and time again, when it is greed, because that means everyone's FOMOing in. People feel like they've missed out, but at the end of the day, this is the time not to buy. You can dollar cost average, but when you're talking about taking major positions, I don't do it when it's green. I don't do it when this meter the greed meter's up. I don't do it when we're not yellow or red, because now it means people are FOMOing into the market. So that's just what we do. Not financial advice, but that is what we do. Going to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, again, seeing this chart, going to the monthly time frame, bouncing, just respecting that level. So that makes me really just want to see what happens. Let's see what happens. We definitely are respecting this level of resistance. Okay, so let's see what the new month comes in. This is a monthly candle. Let's see what happens there. Going into, falling back and looking at the daily time frame, it's hard to really predict what's going to happen. But we did break a new low on the daily time frame. So we did have a structure break right here, barely a structure break. So we'll see what happens. I definitely think there's more pain to be had. I think this is a bull trap. I do think there is more pain to be had in the market. But we'll see what happens, because at this time, people are turning bullish, and they're turning bullish really quick. As you can see on the Crypto Fear Greed Index, people are turning bullish very quick. Now, I'm not saying we're not bullish. You know, we need to break some serious levels for me to really, you know, think that, and to change my bias. We need to break some serious levels, have some serious gains for me to really say, okay, now we're here. So are we gonna break this? Are we gonna break through? So right now, this is what we're looking like. Pull back, up, here, pull back, up would be what I need to see. Continually to make new highs. That's what you would want to see if we're truly bullish. Or another idea could be that we actually go and potentially form a head and shoulders here. Go here, come up here, make a new leg down. So what we want to see is what's going to happen right here. Are we going to break this level, or are we going to break this level? So that's what we want to see. This is a daily time frame, so you guys want to pay attention to that. That's what I want to see. Are we gonna, which level are we going to break? Are we going to break there or there? Tell me what's up. So tell me what you think. Comment in the comments. Make a comment. Tell me what you think. Bullish or bearish? What do you think? You guys know what I think. I think we're gonna make a new low. I think we're not over. You could have a different opinion. Let's see what happens. Let's see how it plays out, guys. But for now, hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do, and we'll see you soon.